Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sekafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, what's been popping? You missed me? I really do miss you guys. I know that I've been MIA, but if you watched my last video, you know that I started back school. So honey, my hands are full. I'm actually so exhausted. And I filmed this video, edited the video, and guess what? Lost the entire video. So this is my second attempt at editing this video, voiceover and everything. See, they were trying to attempt me. But nonetheless, we are about to make this work right about now. I'm just trying out Knotless jumbo braids. I've never done this hairstyle on myself. I've never done knotless braids. This was just my first attempt at doing it. It was fun. I just wanted a style I could get my hair out of the way, because every time it's school time, I just find like I'm neglecting my hair. So I just needed something that could just get my hair out of the way, and jumbo knotless just it seemed to be, you know, doing the trick. So as you can see, I have a section of my hair, and section of your hair is never easy. What can I tell you? I still struggle section of my hair. You just need to practice. The more you do it, is the more you get accustomed with it, the more you realize it's not as hard, I guess, as before. One of the tips I would tell you is probably try different combs. I use like a wide tooth comb, I use my thin tooth comb, I use my normal comb. I just use all combination of combs just to get my parts done properly. In all, I did around 24 to 26 plaits. I think it was around 25. I can't remember the exact number, but yeah. And actually, it was not a quick process. Actually surprised me. I couldn't like figure out my portioning properly, and my makeshift I would use to put my braids on would keep falling down. So like my sister ended up having to come and like assist me in like giving me the portions, because I had nowhere to like put the braids. But you know the struggles. Sometimes you see a video, you don't know all the work that's going into that video. But let me tell you, you can see me trying to pat the back of my hair, and after attempting one, you could see I don't have any problem passing the back of my hair. But just this night, I was just not up for the challenge, to be honest. My back already started acting up, so I just called my sister. As you can see, she's the one there assisting me, and she's just sharing out the back for me. If you don't have anybody at home, what can I tell you? You gotta have to do it for yourself, sis. But if you do have somebody who could help you, it's easier if they could just like pat it for you. They see the back versus you know, hurting your shoulders, because braiding already takes so much out of your shoulders. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. So yeah, this is a 25 thereabout plaits. We are using Expressions Premium in 42 inch. I honestly don't think this braid is 42 inches, but anyway, they say it's 42 inch. And so firstly, I just take my jam and I place it on the parameters of my hair. I ensure that it is flat. So you can see me using my comb to just press the gel, and using my hand to just ensure everything is smooth before I start plaiting. And then you plait a normal plait. So you go 1, 2, 3. And then you add the braid above. So you can see me just plaiting the braid as normal. Now, when you're doing that, a piece of your hair is going to be out the first time around, and you might feel strange, but just continue doing it. It will eventually blend into the braid. That's just feeding. You know, the hair goes in part by part, so you just need to bear that in mind. Then I'm twisting my hands so that I could plait it properly. Now, I just use my thumb, and I continue to plait with my thumb until I get it to be how I want it to be. This takes practice. I don't even know what to tell you. You just need to practice. The more you do it, is the better you get at it. I'm adding in about 4 pieces, 4 to 5 pieces. It depends if I don't find the size is big enough. You could see me leave out my edges there. They're growing back, okay? They're growing back. Just trust the process. They're coming through, honey. They're coming. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing these 4 plaits, and then we'll see the end. Going in with my edge booster. Now, if you've not seen me already, I talked about edge booster already. It really does lay down your edges, but it leaves them white. It's not a white that's so white, but it does dry rather ashy. So you would want to go over that with a water-based gel or probably even your mousse to just ensure that it reduces that whiteness that it might give you afterwards. And I'm just doing basic baby hairs with my edges that I left out because, as I told you, on the sides of my head, my edges there, I have breakage on the side of my hair, so I try to leave out as much hair as possible. You can see how versatile this hair is. Think about knotless, especially when you do it the feeding method. You could put up the hair as soon as you're done with it. Like, you know, normally you would have to wait with normal box braids before you could lift it up. With knot, it's almost like the braid is just hooked onto a plait, so you can lift it up anyhow you want to. So yeah, I really enjoy doing this hairstyle. Going with my Gagne mousse, and then I tie up everything. Now, before the Gagne mousse, I missed a step. I think I put it in hot water, but the water was not hot enough. So I have to go back in and dip it again in hot water to reduce the stiffness, but that's just a minor thing anyhow. But yeah, guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. This is the hairstyle. I really was feeling myself. I was like, ooh, I was like, wow, this plus I really liked it. It was like giving me this kind of like vibes. I was like, what? Well, you already know we gotta accessorize the spots. So I'm just adding these two accessories and just complete this hairstyle. I really miss being consistent, but I don't even know if you could tell by my voice that I'm extremely exhausted, but it is what it is, people. School is school, and if you, I don't know, if you've done a master's degree or probably you've done like a postgrad, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You're just seeing me trying on different hairstyles with this look on the side, up. As I told you, it's very versatile, so it could go anyhow. And yeah, that is practically it, guys. You already know what you gotta do. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, just keep a girl, just keep a girl in prayer. Like, you know, it's real stressful times right now, but yeah, we're gonna try once in a while to see how we can fit in a video. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and you already know, catch you on the next one.